All right, guys. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu not going to succeed for this one. So the Federal High Court have approved of the free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now protest, but the other protesters not to go to Aso Rock Villa, okay, or National Assembly. Say but then go free protest. Well, I believe saying that because of waiting they happen. Understand? Not when I know say there are rumors, reports that there are plans for some. There are plans of military takeover. Yes, against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government. So it be like say then they fear say anything when go come close to Aso Villa and all that. Go they safe for them. So, my people, we don't come back again with another Bonga update. Right now, we want to talk about some trending things when we say they happen for Nigeria. Now, this issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's continued detention, even when his health is deteriorating, Nigerians are really worried. If this man can't buy for us for inside the detention, how the matter will be, because the matter, go they sweet at all. You understand? Now, we are not even talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Bay now. I beg, may they just even release him, make he take good care of himself. Now Nigerian government keep on manipulating everything. You understand? Because their plan is say if he buy for inside detention, hey, go fit talk those things when they say get plenty things. So when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu know, and the APC government is afraid of this guy. They know they don't have anything, no evidence against him, and they cannot push more harder. If you see the matter now when they grant now, they talk about, we don't leave the, like what I said, we have let the real matter now say make them release them. We now have to open the fence, say whether they go get independent medical care or not. It's really very sad. You understand? It's funny. It's funny. Because all these ones now just tactics to keep on delaying him in DSS custody. It's all tactics to keep delaying him in DSS custody. Anyway, make we just go straight to the news. So, the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has granted approval for the planned free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now protest, but restricted demonstrators from marching to or assembly near key national institutions, including Aso Rock Villa, okay, including Aso Rock Villa, the National Assembly, Force Headquarters, the Court of Appeal, Eagle Square, and the Shehu Shagari Way. Okay, we go know where they want them to stay. So the ruling delivered on Friday, October 17, 2025 by Honorable Justice M.G. Omar followed a motion ex parte filed by the Nigerian government through the Nigerian Police Force under the suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/2202/2025. The case, titled Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Omoyele Shuare, the Sahara Reporters Limited, Sahara Reporters Media Foundation, Take It Back Movement, TIB, and unknown persons, sought an interim order to restrict protesters from accessing sensitive government zones in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. So, in the motion supported by an affidavit sworn to by Barsi, a police officer attached to the Directorate of Legal Service at the Force Headquarters, the government argued that the protest could threaten national security if allowed to take place near restricted government areas. After hearing arguments from Government Counsel Wisdom Madike Esquire and Joseph uh, as Azeku Esquire, Justice Umaru granted the interim order but affirmed that the right to peaceful assembly remains protected provided the demonstrators stay clear of the prohibited areas. Meanwhile, the court also directed that the respondents, including activists Shawari and the Take It Back movement, be served with the order immediately and appear for a hearing on Monday, October 20, 2025 to respond to the government motion. According to the court document, upon the motion ex parte dated and Friday 16th October 2025, praying the court for following orders: an order of this honorable court restraining or ban protesters from protesting in the following areas: Aso Rock Villa or anywhere close to Villa, National Assembly, First Headquarters, Court of Appeal, Eagle Square, and Shehu Shagari Way. And for such further orders as the Honorable Court may deem fit to make the circumstances of this court upon handling the affidavit in support of the application deposed to by Basi interim, a police officer, attached to Directorate of Legal Service, Force Headquarters, Abuja, and filed in the registry of this court. And after hearing wisdom, Madike Esquire with Joseph Anzaku Esquire of Counsel for the applicant move in terms of the motion ex parte, and the court, having considered the application, he said, the respondents are hereby restrained in the interim from protesting in the following areas: the Aso Rock Villa or anywhere close to Villa, the National Assembly, the First Headquarters, the Court of Appeal, the Igbo Square, and Shehu Shagari Way, pending the hearing of the motion on notice. So the court hereby abridged time within which the respondent will respond to the application on notice to cross this ex parte order to be set aside on Monday, the 20th of October 2025 at 9 a.m. So the order of the court, together with the motion on notice, be served on the respondent today, Friday, the 17th day of October 2025. Case adjourned to 20th October. Case adjourned to 20th October 2025 for hearing of the motion on notice. So issued at Abuja under the head of presiding judge, Honorable Justice M.J. Umar, and the seal of the court this 17th day of October 2025. Earlier, Sarah reporters reported that the Nigerian police force also issued a directive ordering heightened security measures across the country ahead of planned demonstrations on Monday, October 20, 2025, calling for the unconditional release of the detained Biafran leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The wireless message issued by the First Headquarters in Abuja and circulated to zonal and command levels nationwide warned that some all-subscriptions elements had finalized plans to stage protests in the Federal Capital Territory that may spread to other states. So guys, the matter when they grand now be saying, the proposed protest was announced by Shawari earlier this month through his X handle, where he described it as a historic march to the Aso Rock Villa in Abuja. So according to him, the demonstration will be peaceful and lawful, focusing on demanding Kanu's immediate release in line with previous court rulings ordering his freedom. So the march has since drawn nationwide attention, with activists and supporters citing it as a text of Nigerians' commitment to constitutional rights, particularly freedom of assembly and expression. So with the adjournment to Tuesday, the planned Monday protest remains all constrained by the legal order, setting the stage for a possible tense standoff between demonstrators and security operatives around the presidential villa. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Please drop your comment below the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral.